Over the past 2 years, we've installed LunaCam rooftop tents on more than 500 pickups, on the roof, on canopies, and even on bed racks. We've also heard a lot of customer feedback about our installations. Today, we're installing the tent on another pickup, Photon Townland G7. This one has a roof basket on the canopy because of an awning and extra camping gear. I want to give you my honest opinion about installing a rooftop tent on a basket and go through all aspects, how it affects the vehicle, fuel consumption, height, appearance, basically everything. This video covers it all, both the pros and cons. So let's get into my review of the LunaCam aluminum hardshell rooftop tent. First, if you have any questions about this tent or how to install it on any vehicle, leave a comment below. I'll personally answer as many as I can. Now let's get to the installation. We always recommend removing the basket and mounting the LunaCam tent directly to the canopy. It has its own dedicated mounting system. The process is simple. Mark the spots. Punch and drill holes. Install the bases. Level and attach the crossbars. These crossbars do the same job as the basket or roof rack, but the combined weight of all three is only 6 kilograms. A 44 kilogram tent plus a 6 kilogram mounting system is definitely a smarter and more practical choice for the vehicle. But the heavier the mounting gets, whether it's a basket or a separate roof rack, you should expect higher fuel consumption, rougher ride quality, a heavier and a slower car, a top-heavy fuel, and reduced off-road capability. The good news is with just the tent itself, none of these issues happen. Its weight makes it one of the best rooftop tents on the market, and that's exactly why most off-roaders in Iran choose LunaCam. The awning brackets mount directly to the tent itself. So what's the real advantage of having a basket? The only benefit is that once you take the tent off after a trip, you could use the basket to carry gear. But honestly, compared to all the downsides, it's not just worth it. Plus, you can even use the top of the tent itself to carry your gear. Now tell me, do you think a basket is worth it, or is direct mounting the smarter choice?